Find the radius, r of the semicircle. Line constructions, properties of similar triangles, trigonometric identities, basic arithmetic and algebraic processes are used to solve this question. Label points K and P. Also, let G and J be the centers of the two upper unequal circles, and R be equals to 9 and X be equals to 4. Be their radius, respectively. Join line OG and line OJ as shown. Also, join line GK and line JP. Join line AG and line DJ. Let angle AB equals to 2 times theta. Then, angle D equals 180 degrees minus 2 times theta. From this relation, we can obtain every other angles in the figure. This implies that line OK equals line OB minus line BK, which equals to R minus 9, and line OG equals the sum of R and 9, as shown on the screen. Also, line OP equals line OC minus PC, which equals to R minus 4. And line OJ equals the sum of R and X, which equals the sum of R and 4. From triangle KOG, OK divided by OG equals R minus 9, all divided by R plus 9, which equals to sine theta. We call it equation T. Also, from triangle POJ, OP divided by OJ equals R minus 4, all divided by R plus 4, which equals to cosine theta. We call it equation Y. Square equation T and equation Y. Add up the two equations. We have a new equation in R, as shown on the screen. We call this equation Z. By trigonometric identity, the sum of square of sine theta and the square of cosine theta equals 1. Substitute into equation Z. We have that the sum of the square of R minus 9, all divided by the square of R plus 9 and the square of R minus 4, all divided by the square of R plus 4 equals 1. Simplify as shown on the screen using the lowest common multiples of the two fractions. Cross-multiply the fraction obtained. Combine like terms and open brackets, as shown on the screen. Simplify your result to obtain that quartic power of R minus 26 times cube of R minus 335 times square of R minus 936 times R plus 1296 equals to 0. Solving for r using trial and improvement method. We have that r equals 1 or 36. Since by substituting r equals 1 in the equation, the result is equals to 0. By substituting r equals 36, the result is equals to 0. Then, by root theorem, r equals 1 and 36 are the roots of the equation. Observe that the radius, r of the semicircle is not equals to 1 unit as line OB is greater than the radius of the upper larger circle. This circle radius, of the larger circle, is greater than x. That is, the radius of the upper smaller circle. Therefore, the required value of the radius, r of the semicircle equals 36 units.